selfies are still considered very taboo. I don't know why eh. I mean, I can see naman that as a country, we're trying to be progressive naman na and everything. Pero, I don't know, medyo nahihirapan pa rin yung ibang tao to accept that this is the reality. Kids, not even just kids eh, even adults. This can happen to anybody talaga.
Kung sa'yo nangyari, ay yung real life, yung nangyari to.
Honestly speaking, I don't know what would happen to me. I'm not sure if I'm strong enough to go through this, but in a way, I feel like I'm living it because I am Marla and because I'm trying to put heart in my character. So in a way, parang napapagdaan ko siya. She's so strong. Lahat ng dumaan sa ganitong pangyayari, I just wish I could hug her.
Pero Alexa, mas exciting ang career mo, no? Na paiba-iba partner.
Yes,
Mas exciting, ang dami mong ginagawa.
Oo, yung hindi nasa stuck sa isa lang. It's very nice that I'm able to explore and not just for my craft but as a person na din. So, ang dami ko na-experience na bago because I'm working with so many different people.
Yung ikaw yung tinaguri ang I want print, I want print,
Ay, sir, I'm very honored and very touched naman na binibigyan ako ng I want ng ganitong klaseng tiwala. I'm so thankful po talaga kaya I will not let it go to waste.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilacad. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for spending time with us today. Thank you for being here with us to celebrate the upcoming launch of our series, Misbehave. Maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo at sa pagpo-post po ninyo and hopefully your reviews later. Thank you so much. And I would also like to say thank you to all of our fans. Supporters ko, thank you so much for being here, bringing the rain, and for your group. It's so cute! I love it! Thank you so much. At syempre po sa lahat din po ng nagsistream sa ating live stream ngayon sa mga kanikila ng bahay or wherever you are. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok ninyo ngayong hapon. And yeah, we're so excited to spread the word about Misbehave. We're so excited to be here with you all. Kaya again, maraming salamat po ulit. And let's do this!
Let's do this! Go ahead.
Parang yun yung doon nag-revolve din yung story. The 5 girls all sent their nude photos or explicit photos to the boys that they love. And
What?
yes.
Okay.
The message. What? Yes, and then so they plot their revenge. They plot their revenge and how they can claim their power back, how they can get their power back against some mga perpetrators who did them wrong.
Okay, so the 5 girls are kayo.
Yes.
So kayo yung na-traumatize.
Yes.
Okay.
Sadly.
Your unfiltered description of your characters. We begin with Alexa.
Perfect. Miss Perfect, Misbehave. Yes.
Okay.
Marla is literally perfect. She's a straight A student. She excels in everything that she does. She is a genius. Well, they're all geniuses.
Okay.
Anyone who goes to school at SOSH is a genius. So, may kanya-kanya kami mga amats and everything.
Okay.
But I would like to say na si Marla, her biggest weakness is her boyfriend, si Cole. Kumbaga, matalino siya sa lahat, pero sa pag-ibig medyo tanga siya.
Sino si Cole dito?
Handsome.
JC, go ahead. Describe yourself. So, your character.
Parang, one thing about me, I think people can tell naman na, palaban naman po talaga ako. At bukod sa palaban, ang word of my life na yun ay matapang din ako. So, yun din yung, that's what I had to channel for Misbehave. Yung kailangan ko siyang tapangan. Kung gagawin ko to, it's all in or nothing at all. So, yun.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hinday na kami palaban sa
Thank you, Alan. Let's call it Zine Media. Wala? Okay. Question is for Alexa. How was it like working with Moore? Sorry.
Drama! Actually, nagpapalit talaga ako ng Pokemon, no? Yung buong video ay pinapalit ko na yung mga people. But, seriously, working with Aki, well, I worked with him na po kasi sa Your Face. So, nothing new, except this is acting naman. It's not singing, it's not performing. And, it feels very refreshing. Nare-refresh ako sa kanya and also with his character. Galing na galing ako sa kanya. Always telling, you're a natural ako, meron sense of hinga, parang may peace na nararamdaman si Marla at pati na rin si Alexa, parang yun yung hinga ko out of the heavy drama na ginagawa namin sa araw-araw. So it's been really fun, yes.
Parang ano pa may
No, ayun. Jello, iba naman din kasi yung atake namin sa The Chambermaid's Daughter.
Right.
Yes. And both I Want project. So maraming salamat naman po I Want. Thank you so much sa pagpuno ng aking schedule. Ibang atake nila eh. Iba yung mga binibigay nilang dalawa sa akin.
Right.
So, syempre, hindi po ako pwede pumili kasi hindi mo nagalit. No, pero hirap din pumili eh. Kaya ko naman lahatin. So,
Both na lang. Sa kasi Akira, medyo ang dami ng experience doon sa acting eh. No? Medyo...
Idol ko yan. Bata pa lang ako, idol ko yan.
Alright, thank you very much. I think LA Santos is here. Kasi yung nangyari sa'yo, yung nag-leak yung naked photos, it's something that happens today. Diba? So, how emotionally challenging was that?
Very. It was very emotionally challenging for all of us. We have to dive so deeply into our emotions. I had to tap traumas I thought I had locked away before. I had to open up so many parts of myself, of my heart, na could be very, very draining talaga. Since we do it so often. Kaya yan si Direk, he dives with us. Yan yung maganda. Sabay pag time na to prepare for our actors queue, samahan niya kami. He takes us through the process or the journey of our characters. Ito yung pinagdaanan ng girls, ganyan. So, lagi namin ginagawa, sama-sama namin ginagawa yun. And when the scene is done, sama-sama din kami para nagpapagpag. Kasi hindi naman siya yung agad-agad ka makakabitaw, especially if it's so real to you. And syempre, that's what we try to give, di ba? Real, raw. Kaya nga, kahit ang hirap, kahit ang sakit, talagang we tap into our own traumas talaga eh. Of the things na pinagdaanan namin, kung paano kami makaka-relate dun sa character, kung paano namin mabibigay yung emotion sa pinagdadaanan ng character. Ang hirap po talaga.
Yeah, it's something na hindi pa nangyayari sa inyo.
Yes.
Pero you have to pretend that it really happened already. So you wanna act.
We have a goal. We have a purpose kung bakit namin ito ginagawa, kung bakit namin kailangan galingan ayusin. It's not just for the art, but it's also again for all the victims, for all the girls, guys, everyone in between na nakaranas ng this happening to them, having something important taken away from them, having their voices taken away from them. And also for all the people na feeling nila maybe they're not ready to speak up, they're not ready to fight back. Yun yung sinusubukan namin gawin. Sinusubukan namin lumaban din para sa kanila with our dialogue, with our, how we treat each and every scene. We treat it so delicately and full of heart talaga. And again, everything with a purpose and a goal. So, I know, I have a feeling someone's gonna ask me why I said yes to this project. But aside from it being having such a strong story, having such a strong message of empowerment that I feel like we really need to get across sa kabataan din ngayon, immediately I said yes because of Derek. When he pitched this to me, I think he said only a couple words and I was like, yes, I'm in, I want that. I don't know why, but my complete trust was his. My trust was his completely. And sabi ko nga when I was doing this, and it used to be very hard for me to open up to other people. Again, just like Daisy, I've been through my fair share of friendship heartbreaks that really left me scarred. Up to this day, it hurts, it stings. But then, I don't know, when I turned 25, maybe my frontal lobe did develop, like they said they would. Like they said yes, that's my excuse for everything. I'm gonna develop your frontal lobe ko. But there was something in me that just made this decision to risk it, to risk everything. If you love someone and you get hurt, that's okay. That's the price you pay for loving someone, and it's never a waste. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, when I step into this project, I need to be open. I need to make these people feel like they can be at home with me. And I can be at home with them. If I want to make this project work, I need to open myself up to these people. And pati kay Direk, kaya sabi niya, may kissing scene? Okay, go! Kissing scene? Love scene? Oo, sige po, sige.
Meron?
Yes, meron.
Oh.
Hindi, meron. Abangan niyo po. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so surprise ba yun? Pero, ayun, we have it all for you. Sabi nga sa mall. So, ayun, sobrang, I just felt so at home with these people, and especially kay Direk din talaga. Like, aside from it being such a good project that would be good for me and my resume, but grabe yung heart na binibigay ng bawat tao. It's so inspiring. You have to see us on set, and it's
Tapos na kayo
goosebumpy. No, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, Von, sa schedule. Bisita tayo sa set.
We create magic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wait, the meaning of this question.
Nawala. Ko, ano ka?
Pumunta lang ako sa gilid, meron na lang namimili.
Kala ko po yung isa miss kasi isa behave.
Spicy, ha? Siguro po ay, paano ba yan? Kasi ako na lang, sariliin ko na lang po to. Hindi, sige, sasagutin ko yan. Tapang ako eh. Siguro po magbibigay po ako kay JC. Kay JC. Kasi yung mga scenes...
Parang ayaw nila.
No, wait lang. Mas mabait po kasi ako kay JC. Aminin, mabait ako kay JC. Mas mabait ako kay JC. And at saka yung scenes din po kasi namin ni JC, mas, medyo seryoso din po kasi yung mga scenes namin. So, nakalock in ako talaga pag kasama ko si JC. Work mode talaga. Pag kay ate naman, lagi lang kami naglolokohan. So, yun na naman yung term ko for misbehaving. Yun lang naman po ang aking pag-misbehave. Mahilig ko makasarin siya. Asan yung bangs mo? Naiba. Ayun, yun, asara ng love language namin.
Mild misbehave lang.
Kaya sa kanya ako mag-misbehave.
Let's make it more fun, Glenn. Sai, kanino sa boys?
Thank you for spending your sweet time with us, for braving the rain. It's Monday today, no? The Monday is traffic. Maraming salamat po talaga. And ngayon pa lang magpapasalamat na po kami for helping us spread the word. Dahil ang Misbehave po, we start streaming on iWant this June 3 na po yan. Kaya sana po you can please help us push it. And we really put our hearts and our souls into this project. Kaya we hope, we pray that you will love it. You will love it as much as we love making it. Kaya maraming salamat po ulit. And again,